Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dmitry. I am from Donetsk Institute for Physics and Engineering. In my institute, I am in charge for technology transfer. And now I have a pleasure to present you the technology for obtaining of modified titanium alloys with enhanced mechanical and exploration characteristics. We propose this technology for manufacturers of titanium alloys for medicine and for manufacturers of dental implants who wants to enter the market with a new company or to expand their market share. This technology based on twist extrusion, one of the most prospective methods of severe plastic deformation. Unlike other methods, twist extrusion allows producing of modified titanium alloys with 3 times less material losses, could be easily integrated into existing productive chains, and don't need for special equipment. We have a very good experience in application of twist extrusion in aircraft manufacturing, and now we need for funding in order to adapt this technology to producing of titanium for medicine. Here you can see the timeline of the project that we propose with the description of key milestones. We have estimated that it will take us 80 days to develop the construction of the device, 120 days to produce and install that device, 50 days to make experiments, and 60 to analyze their results. We are also going to patent the results of R&D in order to conclude license agreement with customers. Let me describe the problem we are proposing to solve. Pure titanium is used in medicine because of its high biological compatibility, but it has low mechanical characteristics, and that is why it can't be used as a dental implant. Most trend titanium alloys, such as grade 5, can be used in medicine without special high-cost coating, because their biological compatibility is significantly low in comparison with commercial pure titanium. That is why it is very difficult for new companies to enter the market. Another problem is limited size of dental implants due to insufficient characteristics of grade 5. That is why not every patient can get necessary implants. We propose the twist extrusion as the solution of problem we've just described. With help of this method, we are going to increase mechanical properties and enforce exploration characteristics of titanium alloys for medical application. It will allow manufacturers to refuse from expensive coatings and decrease the limit for size of implants. As the result, new companies will get more easy way for market entering, and those who are already in the market would have an opportunity to expand their product range. Together with this, more patients will be able to get implants. The price of implants will be decreased, the choice will become wider, and the safety will become higher. Now I'm going to describe briefly the main advantages of proposed technology. The most significant one is the powerful vortex flow that appears within the material during its processing. Thanks to this feature, structure elements reduce their size 100 times, from 100 micrometers down to 100 nanometers. As the result, strength of the material increased from 30 up to 200%, and ductility, in contrast with other similar technologies, do not decrease but has some growth for some types of material. So, due to twist extrusion processing, we have got the material with higher strength, higher plasticity, and refined structure. It should be emphasized that according to preliminary researchers, structure refinement leads to increasing of biological compatibility. With titanium for aircraft, we achieved 30% increasing of strength with the same level of plasticity. Medical titanium alloys are much softer than aircraft ones, so that is why we expect 150 or even 200% increasing of strength and 50–60% increasing of ductility. During the last 3 years, The stable growing trends has been observed in dental implants market. According to preliminary marketing investigations we made, the market size for new products obtained with help of proposed technology could reach $100 million. The possibility of producing dental implants of smaller diameter could lead to market expanding up to 20%. We recognize that there are three huge market players here: Nobel Biocare, Straumann and Astra. We pointed those companies as the first ones we are going to reach as potential customers of the technology. We've got the information about intensive activity of these big three in the field of buying new technologies. Nowadays, modified titanium alloys are produced by T-Implant Limited in Czech Republic and Basic Dental in United States. As we know, both companies use the technology of equal channel angular pressing developed by Ufa University in Russia. Between the competitive advantages of the technology we are proposing, we would like to emphasize less material capacity and the ability of integrating twist extrusion process into standard productive chain. It is also important that twist extrusion could be performed by standard equipment, no special equipment needed. Another advantage is the possibility of obtaining profiles with various sections. This feature is impossible for equal channel angular pressing or any other technology based on severe plastic deformation. The experience shows that the simpler the business model is, the more successful it could work. So, we propose a very simple business model: selling licenses to customers and receiving payments from them. In order to reach potential customers, we are going to take part at conferences and exhibitions of corresponding field and to publish information about our results in profiled journals. Now, we already have identified persons in charge for R&D and business development in the Big Three, and we are going to send them commercial offers after obtaining and analyzing of experimental results. Here the financial projection is presented. It corresponds to project's timeline presented above, and we try to distribute expected funds as evenly as possible in order to make the dynamic of financing regular. We have estimated that gross receipt from all the licenses that could be sold is $15 million. And the specific value of license for 1 ton per year is $120,000. We would like to show you this roadmap in order to demonstrate what we are going to do within the project after its ending. Now we have successful results of modifying titanium alloys for aircraft and interest from biggest manufacturers in technology for modifying titanium alloys for medicine. Within the project, we are going to adapt the technology for obtaining of modified titanium alloys for medicine and submit the patent application to International Patent Agency. Next, we are going to patent this technology in target countries such as Switzerland, United States, Israel, Germany. After that, we will be able to conclude license agreements. We expect to start active license selling in third year after project's completed. At the end of my presentation, I would like to say some words about who we are. Our team will be managed by Professor Jan Belge-Zimmer, who is the first developer of twist extrusion technology. Construction and installation of experimental device will be made under the direction of Dr. Dmitry Varyukhin, who is the head of Technology Transfer Department. Leading engineer Anton Barda will be in charge for experimental works and analyzing of their results. Andrei Alexeychuk, the leading economist, will be responsible for communication with customers and making projects account.
Dmitry восполняет me. Within this project, my task will be to purchase the necessary materials for manufacturing the equipment. And I am also going to take part at experimental work. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your attention. I am ready to answer your questions.